Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from our spot. We are back at Walgreens to get into some more deals for my W days. Now, even though I am moving around in store, we are actually shopping online today. The reason being is because I just didn't feel like doing a lot today. I wanted it to be really easy and simple and for me to just be able to come in and pick up my order and keep it moving. So I placed an online order, but before I show you my online order, I want to talk a little bit about my strategy for placing this order and why I did what I did, because I do recognize that a lot of people who watch me are newer to couponing at Walgreens, and I just want to make sure that I take time to explain why I did my order this way. So today's booster is spend 45, get back $20 in Walgreens cash. So what that means is we need to spend $45, and we've already talked about how you can spend that 45, what counts as spend. It can either be cash money, it can be register rewards, it can be manufacturer coupons, it can be a gift card, however you decide to do it. But what it can't be is all Walgreens cash on that spend amount. But when you're shopping online like we're doing today, once you reach that spend amount in that currency, so if it's spend 45 and we have $45 in manufacturer coupons, we can pay the rest however we want to, including in Walgreens cash. So that was my goal today, to literally have $45 plus in manufacturer coupons and then be able to use my Walgreens cash to pay the rest. So in order to do that, I had to build my transaction up. So my total for my order before my coupons was actually over $130, even though I only needed to spend 45. The reason I was building that transaction up is because after those manufacturer coupons were applied, I wanted to be able to roll over $50 in Walgreens cash and get that $50 back. I also wanted a little wiggle room in my transaction so that if they canceled out something in my order, which I knew that they would, and they did, that I would still have enough product left over and enough coupons left over that it would not ruin my deal. And so that is why I built my transaction way up. So even if that transaction came down a little bit, it was still going to be all right. So one of you guys left me a comment yesterday saying that for one of your deals, you decided to get an electric toothbrush with your transaction. And so that put something in my head. I was like, let me see about that. So I had a $20 digital coupon. This was an older digital, but it was still on my account for an electric Oral-B toothbrush. So that is what I decided to pick up first. These are on a promotion where if you spend $50, you will get back $15 in Walgreens cash. So I wanted to pick up one of the ones that was over the $50 mark. I decided to get this one for $69.99, but you can also get this one for $79.99. So with this toothbrush, now we got $20 in digital coupons already. So we're almost halfway to that required spend amount. I also decided to grab two of the Dove deodorants. Now in my cart, I had actually put the ones that are $5.49. My store is clearly out of those, so they did substitute me. Now that substitution could have thrown me off, but it actually didn't. It actually worked out okay. And I will show you what they did just a little bit later in the video. But my real purpose for adding in these Dove deodorants was just to be able to use that $7.50 in digital coupons, which built that transaction up some more. Another easy filler item to use up your digital coupons is the feminine care. So we have these little baby liners right here for $1.79. You can use that 3 off of 2 or 3 off of 1 digital coupon, and that will apply to both of these, making them super cheap and bring down your out-of-pocket costs. I decided to pick up some Tampax for $6.99. Use that $4 digital because that is a manufacturer coupon that will give us $4 in credit towards that spend amount. I also grabbed some Z-Squill. These are $6.49 online. I used the $4 digital, made it $2.49. One of the Olay serums was on clearance at this location and a few other locations in my area for $8.29. And we have a 12 off of 2 and a 5 off of 1 digital coupon that work on it. It was not tagged in my store, but I was able to add it to my online order, use the $5 digital coupon, and again, that's $5 more towards that $45 spend. I also had a $10 digital coupon for a L'Oreal facial product. Again, that's 10 more dollars. Now we are over that $45 already. $10 to add towards my purchase, so I use that $10 digital, and I picked up this product right here. I clearly got the last one for $16.99. Now, one item that got canceled off of my order, but is another good filler item, is the Eucerin face cream. So this was $10.99. I had a $4 digital coupon, and we also have $2 back on Ibotta. All right, you guys, so this is everything that I picked up in my online order. This is not for you to duplicate this same transaction to a T. You can add to your order what you want to get or what you have coupons for, because I know we're all low on digitals right now because we have all been using them all week. But I just want to give you an example of what you can get using this coupon and also keeping your out-of-pocket low. The Dove deodorant was not what I picked up. I had actually ordered 2 of the singles, but I put that I was okay with substitutions for this order, so they substituted the 2 singles for a double pack, which was fine because that $7.50 off of 2 digital coupon did adjust to the price of this and make the double pack completely free. And then this particular Olay is on clearance. This was on clearance at a lot of the stores in my area. So let me show you the barcode on this one. That is the barcode there, but this baby right here was on clearance for $8.29. And we did have a $5 digital coupon that worked on this, making this only $3.29. Regular price on this is $29.99. So this was already a steal at $3, not even including the booster. So let's take a peek at my receipt for this order. This is everything that we got. So there's the Olay. I used 2 different promo codes. I used the Fast 10 and the Wags 10 promo. With both of those promo codes coming off, that's why you see adjusted prices here based on those discounts. All of my digitals came off: the $4 for the Z-Squill, the $5 for the Olay, the $10 for the L'Oreal, the $4 for the Tampax, the $20 for the Oral-B, and the $5.32 for the Dove. Subtotal came up to $59.17, and then I did roll in $50 in Walgreens cash, and I placed the balance on my PayPal. So as far as out-of-pocket costs for this transaction, all I had to pay was the $9.17 plus some high taxes, but I was able to use my rebate money to cover that. So very low out of pocket considering the high dollar items that we got. So for this online order, we paid out $59.17, and then I got back a total of $49 in Walgreens cash for this purchase. So I got 20 for my Spin 45 booster. I got 15 for the toothbrush because this was over $50, so we qualified to get $15 back. And I also got $14 because of the 25% everyday reward for this deal. Since this was $59 in product, 25% of that is another $14. So the 14 plus the 15 plus the 20 for our booster, we got back $49 for these items. Over $100 worth of product ended up costing us $10. Something else I grabbed on clearance, but I did it in a separate transaction. I was going to add this to my online order because I found it online. A little thing with Walgreens that I actually really like is when you're shopping online, like when I'm looking on my laptop for deals, if I type in the word clearance in the search bar, it will pull up the clearance that's available at my local Walgreens store, and I can add those items to my online order, or I can go in store and look for them. I was going to add this to my online order, but I'm actually happy that I waited and went in the store and looked for it. It was not tagged in my store, and that is this Shea Moisture African Black Soap Serum. This is the product that I actually really want. So it was $3.29 online, but in store it was only $2.99. I was able to pay with $3 in Walgreens cash, and I just had to pay like a quarter out of pocket for this item. So that's just a little tip if you're searching online for good deals. So let me know if you have any questions about this online order. I think this is going to be it for me for Walgreens this this week unless something magical pops up. This has been a beautiful, beautiful My W Days week at Walgreens. I really hope they do this again. They told us if this went well, they would be doing it again. So fingers crossed it comes again soon. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I thank you so, so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.